Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tech reviews. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're talking about the MSI B560M Pro E Pro Series motherboard. And spoiler alert, it's one of the best 6th Gen Intel motherboards on the market. This motherboard from MSI packs a serious punch for your PC build, and in this video, we're going to dive deep into what makes it stand out. But before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our in-depth tech reviews. Alright, let's kick things off with the key features of the MSI B560M Pro E Pro Series motherboard. It's designed for 6th Gen Intel Core processors, which means you'll have the power you need for gaming, content creation, and more. DDR4 memory support with a maximum speed of up to 4800 MHz. That's fast! PCIe 4.0 support for faster data transfer and improved gaming performance. Turbo M.2 slot for NVMe SSDs, giving you lightning-fast storage solutions. USB 3.2 ports for high-speed data transfer and connectivity. GBP's LAN for stable and fast internet connections. So, why is the MSI B560M Pro E Pro Series the best 6th Gen Intel motherboard out there? Let me break it down for you. It supports 6th Gen Intel Core processors, giving you exceptional performance for any task. With its premium layout and digital power design, you can overclock with confidence and extract even more power from your CPU. Advanced technology ensures pure data signals for top-notch performance and stability, especially when you're pushing your RAM to the limit. The Turbo M.2 slot runs at PCIe Gen 3x4 speeds, making sure your NVMe SSDs perform at their best. But it's not just about the specs. MSI knows how to build a solid motherboard. The motherboard itself is well built and reliable, and it's part of MSI's Pro Series, known for stability and quality. It features integrated cooling solutions, including a heatsink for the chipset and the ability to adjust fan settings based on temperatures. And what about compatibility? Well, the MSI B560M Pro E Pro Series has you covered. It supports up to 64 GB of DDR4 memory, giving you plenty of room for multitasking and demanding applications. You've got a PCIe 4.0 x 16 slot, perfect for your graphics card, and additional PCIe slots for expansion. Connectivity is crucial, and this motherboard has it all. The GBP's LAN controller ensures a stable network experience, so you won't experience lag during your online gaming sessions. USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports let you connect your peripherals and transfer files at high speeds. In conclusion, the MSI B560M Pro E Pro Series motherboard is the best 6th Gen Intel motherboard you can get your hands on. It combines top-notch performance, build quality, and compatibility, all at a reasonable price point. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, leave your comments and questions down below. Until next time, keep building, keep gaming, and keep exploring the world of tech with us here at Product Critique. See you in the next video.